This is DMS English News with Oren Andrade.
Have you ever heard of Hurricane Katrina? It was this massive storm that hit the Louisiana coast back in 2005. And let me tell you, it was a doozy. This storm brought heavy rain and strong winds that caused a whole lot of damage to buildings and homes. It was pretty intense. Now here's the thing, a lot of people were not ready for this storm. They didn't know what to do when it hit. But you know what? It's super important to know about the weather patterns in the places you're traveling to. That way, you can be prepared for any natural disaster that might occur, like hurricanes and really bad weather. You definitely want to stay safe and be ready for anything. And guess what else? It's also really important to have a plan in place in case of an emergency. You know, like knowing where to go and what to do when things get rough. It could be as simple as finding a safe place or having some basic supplies ready. Being prepared can make all the difference, my friend. So keep in mind, always stay informed about the weather, especially when you're traveling. That way, you can be ready for any potential natural disasters that might come your way. And don't forget to have an emergency plan in place too. Stay safe and be prepared, all right? You got this.